G'day guys, Matt Preston, Prado. Welcome back to another video. Today is an unboxing and review of the MORRFlate quad tire inflation deflation kit. So hope you enjoy. Okay guys, so essentially what this is, it's a four-way, does all four wheels at once, and it can inflate or deflate your tires. Okay, now it's pretty standard, so this is like your nice little case here. You get a little zip in here if you just want to put different sort of like little things in here that you need to store away. And then essentially in this top bit up here, you have a zip that comes out like this, and then you have the kit itself. Now it's in a really nice sort of bright green hose, which is good because at night you'll be able to actually see it. And as you can see here, they've already comes like one, that's the like two wheels, and then the center bit, and then the other two wheels on the back. So it's already sort of laid out in the way you're gonna roll out along with your tires. Okay, so this is what sort of comes in the box when you get one of these kits. Now these are for sale at Essential 4x4. Now they're 325 bucks, which is on par with all the other competitors, and this is a better system. Okay guys, so pretty much if you want to grab one, there'll be a link in my description, and with theirs you'll also get a little flyer, like a little torch and stuff. It's pretty cool. So this is pretty much what the kit's like, and in the bottom of a bag there's a little mesh section, and pretty much that's so if you got any dirt or sand and you put it in the box here, it'll come out the bottom, which is a clever idea, so it won't just get full of dirt over time. So the compressor I run is like a Dual Max air thumper. Okay, so 300 litres per minute. You know, it's a budget end compressor. I'm sure quite a few of you guys have it at home. So this adapter in here won't actually work for that. Okay, but for free of charge, they'll give you the correct adapter in this little bag, and this is the one I essentially need. And pretty much this will just connect to the bottom of this, and that's it. How easy is that? And now that will go straight into the compressor, and now I can go away and start deflating, inflating, whatever I need to do. Okay guys, so the best way to roll this out, the quickest way possible, is to center yourself to the front of the car or the back of the car, wherever your compressor is. For me, I put it on the battery, so I'll be at the front of the car. And then what you want to do is pretty much, obviously there's two ends, you want to undo the little Velcro strap, and you want to get this sort of end and you sort of lay it out like this. Okay? If it was sand or whatever, you could probably just chuck it, but I'll just sort of put it out that way. And then you're going to get the other side and do the exact same thing. And now the base of it's laid out. Okay guys, the chuck system in this is so much quicker than the other systems. So you literally just take off your screw cap, and then you get this and you literally just shove it on. Now everyone might do it a bit differently, but the most mainstream way to do it is you sort of Velcro this on like this, so it just holds it in the center at a nice height for you to read the gauge and what your tires are doing. So pretty much all I have to do now is plug in my compressor, which will just sit down here, and then I can literally just read off here, and I know exactly what all four tires are doing at once. Okay guys, so now we want to inflate these tires. And as you can see, I've just got the old faithful King's compressor. Some of you guys may disagree with that title, but pretty much what we're going to do is plug this into here, and turn on the car. Obviously make sure your car's always on when running the compressors, because they draw a lot of power. And then we're going to be plugging this in, and we're going to be pumping them back up. Okay guys, so pretty much you just want to put the adapter on if you have my compressor, and then you want to just put the King's compressor adapter to that adapter, and there you go. It's quite a contraption, but it'll work really well. And now we'll be able to start the car and pump these back up to 40 psi. Okay, so once it's all plugged in, what you want to do you want to make sure that this valve here is up, and then you want to start the car, turn the compressor on, and this will start pumping up. And then to check throughout the pumping, you just pull this down, and it's going to give you a reading on the screen of where you're at. Okay, so because there's 120 psi shut off, it means this, when you're pulling and when you stop, the compressor's actually turning off for you, which is really nice. So you don't have to like hit the switch on and off constantly. So I've just popped these back up to about 35 almost. So that's gonna be enough for now. And yeah, as you can see, a super easy experience to do. And every time you set up, you're gonna get quicker at it as well. Okay guys, for the pack up, it's that simple. All you have to do is go around and grab the chucks and just pull them off the same way you pulled them on. And then you can start rolling it up as you walk around the car. And you'll find it kind of wants to naturally do its own little thing. But it's also not very hard to move if it coils in a way you're not like want it to do. So as you can see, that's pretty much coiled really nice there. And then what I like to do is wrap one half up, tie it off, do the same on the other side, and so you meet at the front of the car with it all coiled up. Okay guys, so the MORRFlate tire deflate, as you can see, very simple to use, comes with adapters for whatever compressor you have and what attachment you have. Pretty like simple layout, and the lines, you know, you can see them in the dark, and I just think it's a really clever system they've done here. Okay, so you can pick this up from the guys at Essential 4X4. Now they're Adelaide based, they're just a bunch of locals, absolute top blokes. Now, I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway on my Instagram, which is very exciting. So one of you guys at home can actually win one of these. And all you have to do is go on my Instagram post and pretty much comment and like and tag one person in the comment section. And the more tags is the more entries, okay? So you have to follow Essential 4X4 and me on Instagram and tag a mate, and that's one entry, okay? So unlimited entries, and the giveaway, all the details will be in the description of the post of how long it will go for, when it will end. So get around that guys if you want to get one of these for yourselves. And remember guys, if you just want to buy one yourselves and enter the giveaway, do that, because then you can just sell one, okay? So, or give one to your mate. So honestly, go have a look at the website. 325 bucks, same as all the other competitors. The only difference is these guys have thought a bit more about it, and the products and the trucks, the way it all sort of ends out overall as a package, there's a bit more thought put into this one in my opinion. So till then guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this helped you out, and we'll catch you guys next time on Prado.